Osaka is a large port city and commercial center on the Japanese island Honshu. It's known for its modern architecture, nightlife, and hearty street food. The 6th century shogunate Osaka Castle, which has undergone several restorations, is the main historical landmark. It is surrounded by a moat and park with plum, peach, and cherry blossom trees. Osaka was traditionally considered as Japan's economic hub. Osaka is a city where you can truly feel Japan's history. When Osaka, visit the Universal Studios Japan. Universal Studios Japan is a theme park opened on March 31, 2001. It is one of the 6 Universal Studios theme parks worldwide. Also be amazed doing shopping at Dotonbori, the shopping district of Osaka. And fell in love with the Cherry Blossoms Festival this March, especially in Osaka.